Hi everyone, today's video is about Elster, and in this video I will tell you how can you set up your Elster account. Before we proceed with the creation of account, let's look at what is this Elster. So Elster stands for Elektronische Steuererklärung, which in English means electronic tax declaration. It is a portal which has been set up by German government and it helps you filing with your taxes in Germany. There are some benefits and advantages of using electronic delivery for filing your taxes. You can read all of them here. But the biggest advantage of using Elster is that it is free of cost. You don't have to pay any fee when you file your taxes via Elster. Now I will tell you how can you create account using Elster. You have to go to this option which is create user account here. When you click it, then you can see this screen. There you have got option whether you want to choose English language or whether you want to go with German. So for my current example, I will just go with the German one, and then there you will see two options. This means for whom you want to create this account. I will just go with the private one as I want to create an account for myself. As soon as you click on this private person, it asks you to give your Steuer ID. So you might have received this letter from Finanzamt. And here you can see your personal identification number. So what I will do, I have just created a random identification number for you. I will just put it there and then I will click on Weiter. You need to put your date of birth. I will just put any random date. Okay, click on Weiter. Now you need to put your email address and a user name you want to give. I will also put it as random. I just put xy@v.com and Benutzername as ABC. Now I will click Weiter. Now it asks you if all of the entries made by you are correct or not. If everything is correct, you need to click on Alles richtig. You will see a screen which says that you have received a 6-letter code on your email ID. You need to go to your email ID and you need to put those 6 characters here. Then you need to click this code abschicken, and after that your registration part for email ID, it will be done. After you have set up your email ID, you need to activate your account. So you need to go to this option where it's Mein Benutzerkonto, and then there you need to go to the second option which is Benutzerkonto aktivieren. If you do not understand German, then you can also switch to English as well. You have to activate your user account. Depending on how you have received details for your user account, if you have received with the letter, then you can go with this one. But if you have received details via email, you can also go with this one. I will just show you both the options. So first of all, going with this identification via letter, there you can see you have to put activation ID from email and activation code from letter. For the first option, you will receive this activation ID in your email. I will show you how does it look like, and then this activation code you will receive in letter. So this will be 12-digit code separated by a dash after every 4th digit. And then after you have put these two values, then you can just submit, and this means that now your account has been verified. This is how this activation ID looks like. It's just some random digits and it looks like this. Now if you go with the other option, identification with email, here it's exactly the same. So you have activation ID from your email, you can put that activation ID here, and if you have received this activation code on your email, you can put that here, and if you submit it, now your Elster is verified. You can download your certificate and then you can log in into this Elster via your certificate, and I will tell you how does this certificate looks like. If I click on login, I have already saved this certificate file on my computer. If I click on browse, you can see this is how your certificate looks like, and if you click it here, It will just automatically fill the certificate file section, and then you need to put your password, and after that you will be able to log in. That's all from my side. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe it, and in my next video I will tell you how can you file taxes via Elster as a student or if you are employed. Thank you.